Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to unhide posts from your Facebook timeline. If you have hidden something by mistake or just want it back on your profile, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook. After that, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings icon from here. After that, just scroll down. Then tap on activity log from here. After that, tap on your Facebook activity. Then tap on posts. After that, tap on posts hidden from profile option. Now here you can see all posts that you have hidden from your Facebook profile. And now if you want to unhide or restore a post on your Facebook profile, just tap the three dots on the right side of the post you want to unhide. Then simply select Add to Profile and it will be restored to your Facebook timeline. Using the same process, you can unhide your all posts one by one from the hidden list. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.